If you are a wood whittler or woodcarver, you know how important a good knife is to your craft. When you have a dependable tool at your side, the woodworking possibilities, projects, and design ideas are endless. There is no limit to the things you can create. There are many products available to choose best whittling knife for wood, curving each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any farther delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. BeaverCraft Sloyd Knife C4's 3.14 high carbon steel. If you are looking for a more affordable option, the BeaverCraft C4 Sloyd knife is a good alternative. This whittling knife is good for the novice or the professional. The blade is made of durable, high carbon steel, and it is 3.14 inches long. This is a firm blade that will be unlikely to drift and create mistakes in your design. What's more, you can work with both hard and softwood, whether you are wood carving, whittling, or using greenwood. This model has a hardwood oak handle that is treated with natural linseed oil. The handle is not only comfortable to hold, but it will also not stain your skin. Additionally, the fine tip on this knife is great for precision carving. The only drawback to this option is that it is more prone to rust if not taken care of properly. Other than that, this is the best whittling knife for the money. Number 2. Old Timer 24OT Splinter Carvin. Our next option is the Old Timer 24OT Splinter Carvin. This is a 6-inch total length traditional fold knife that weighs 3.9 ounces. Not only do you get a 1.5-inch detail knife made of durable high carbon steel, but this model also features nail poles, straight gouge, hook blade, V-scorp, gouge scorp, and a chisel. This multi-tool has a saw-cut handle, and it's made without a lock. The Old Timer, although great for woodworking, camping, hunting, hiking, etc., is not easy to hold for extended periods. This knife is a great option for woodworking, carving, and whittling beginners and moderate hobbyists. Also, you will find it occasionally drifts, and you may end up with a few mistakes along the way when working with this tool. On the other hand, the slim tip is great for detailed cuts, plus it can be used on hard or soft wood. Finally, note that there is no left-handed model available at this time. Number 3. Opinel Stainless Steel Folding Knife. If you prefer a whittling knife that can be folded away, the Opinel Stainless Steel Folding Knife is a good possibility. This is a 1.2-ounce woodworking tool that has a beechwood handle and measures 6.5 inches when open. It also features a safety ring and a fixed and sliding secure lock. Be advised, however, it can fold together quickly, beginners beware. This stainless steel knife is 2.87 inches long, with a sheep's foot blade design and a precision tip. Be advised, however, you will notice some drifting while you work. The Opinel folding knife is made in France, and it's great for the beginner or moderate whittling and carving enthusiast. Furthermore, the hard steel has very little lateral strength and will snap if it's under too much pressure. To end on a positive note, however, the ergonomically designed handle is easy to grip and work with for extended periods. Number 4. Elemental Tools 9-piece Wood Carving Tools Set. The Elemental Tools 9-piece Wood Carving Tools Set offers a combination of tools for whittlers at various levels. The set includes 3 whittling knives, cut-resistant gloves, a polishing compound, a leather sharpening strop, and a beechwood spoon blank that you can use as soon as you open the set. The set comes in a bamboo storage box, which helps to protect the high-carbon steel blades of the hook knife, Sloyd knife, and detail knife from rust and corrosion. The knives all come with black walnut handles that are soft to the touch while containing a robust and durable material. Black walnut is naturally resistant to moisture and decay, so there won't be concerns about your handles swelling or cracking. This flexible set is useful for an array of woodworking projects. Number 5. BeaverCraft Beginner Whittling Knife. Those just getting into whittling and looking to pick up one of their first whittling knives should consider the BeaverCraft Beginner Whittling Knife. This unique single-blade knife is designed with first-time whittlers in mind. The handle comes in high-quality, ergonomically cut ash wood and measures 4.53 inches long, providing a soft, comfortable grip to reduce hand fatigue. The high-carbon steel blade is short, at just 1.37 inches, giving new whittlers the control they need to help make precise cuts while remaining safety-conscious. The blade is thin and flexible, allowing you to whittle precision details into the wood, though the length of the blade is not ideal for broad flat cuts. This knife comes pre-sharpened so that you can begin whittling as soon as you find a suitable piece of wood.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.